Hi, in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to set up our Lowel Blender light. Okay, so there's two components. One is the light itself and then the other one is the light stand. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set up the light stand first. Okay, first of all, you need to loosen this part here, this knob here. Okay, just one twist to loosen it, and then you can open the legs. Okay, let the legs be as wide as possible, not like this. When it's like this, it means it won't be very stable. Okay, so let it be as low as possible. Something like this will do. Okay, also remember the leg should point towards the talon so that when the light if the light falls, it will topple this way rather than towards the talon and protects our talon. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to loosen another knob. I'm going to bring this up. Okay, always extend from the thickest section first. Okay, I'm just going to extend one more. Okay, we are not going to extend all the way yet. This is so that we can put on our light easily. Okay, when it's too high, then it's very hard to work. Okay, so over here, there's this hole for you to insert the light. Okay, so make sure you loosen the screw sufficiently so that it can insert all the way in fully. Okay, please be very careful about this part. Okay, then tighten the screw to make sure that the light doesn't come out. Okay, and also, just now I was telling you the light should point in the same direction as one of the leg. Okay, this is so that the light won't topple towards the talon. Okay, and then there's one more knob here. Okay, this knob controls the tilt angle. Okay, so usually we tilt around here. Okay, then the next thing is to connect the battery. Okay, this is the battery adapter for Panasonic, and this is the Panasonic battery, the same battery as our Panasonic AC90. Okay, so this part is quite tricky. Okay, there is a latch here. Okay, and then you can see there's a groove here. Okay, so and then this is the connection, and this is the pin. So the connection will go to the pin. Okay, so firstly, okay, you need to match the groove and the latch. Okay, because this part is quite fragile and breaks easily, so you have to just be very careful. Okay, and then just match it, and then you just push it slightly. Okay, don't push it all the way. Okay, you have to then turn around. Okay, and check. Turn around and check. Make sure the pin. Okay, visually inspect. Make sure the pin and the connector aligns, and then give it a final push in. Okay, so yes, you have to just be a bit more careful with connecting the battery. Okay, there are two ways to hang the battery. One is to hang it here. Okay, there's this cable tie here. You can hang it here. Another way is to use the clip and clip it towards here. Okay, I'm just going to hang it here. Okay, and then I will just lengthen the light stand. Okay, never mind. I just insert the cable now. I'm just going to coil it around the light stand so that it doesn't dangle around. Okay, and okay, there is the connection is over here. Okay, please note that there's a latch here as well. Okay, so this is to prevent it from dropping off. So make sure you match the latch with the gap. Okay, then you give it a twist. Okay, so that this thing will not drop off. Okay, then now you can extend the light stand further. Okay, so this is the maximum height that our light stand can go. Okay, so just now I was coiling the cable around the light so that it will not dangle around. Okay, so this is how. Let me just. Okay, by by right, the light stand has to be high. The reason is because your light is actually simulating the ceiling light, so it should be high. Another consideration is that your light should be motivated by apparent light source. So, for example, let's assume that the window is over there. So actually the key, if this is the key light, the main light, then the light should be placed over here so that it looks like the light is coming from the window, so that it appears more natural. Okay, so just for this demonstration, I'm going to just lower it so that you can see better. Okay, so before you turn on the light, if there is a talent there, you should say striking. Okay, this is just to warn the talent. If there's nobody there, no need to say, but let's assume there's a talent there, so I just say striking. Okay, and then I turn on the light. Okay, at the back of the light, there's two knobs. This is a variable color temperature light, so this is very good. Okay, we have the daylight. This is the daylight. And then this is the warm light I just show you. Okay, so this is daylight full strength. Okay, this is the warm daylight full strength is this is 5,600 Kelvin. Okay, so 5,600 Kelvin is about the mid day sun color temperature, and then this is warm lighting. This is 3,200 Kelvin. It's a tungsten light bulb color temperature. Okay, so you need to match the color temperature of your light to the color temperature of the location. And if you notice in this room, okay, we have a mixture of fluorescent light, which is cooler, and then warmer down lights over here. Okay, so I probably need to use both. Okay, and then try to match the color temperature. Okay, one more tip is you should always try to add a little bit of warmth. Okay, if you have a talent. Okay, because it makes the person feels warmer. I mean, of course, it depends on the story. Okay.